Alright. Hi guys. Unfortunately, Hussein has quit DG Games, so we won't be hearing more from him doing these commentaries. But here we have Doc with his awesome new OS. Doc, take it away.
Hello guys, this is Script OS, which is basically an acronym for Script Operating System. It's more of a small operating system inside your web browser. I mean, if you see a window over here, this is the Chats.ws' next generation arrow-based website. If you have used Windows 7, you might be seeing it similar. I mean, even I'm using Windows 7, and the effects are quite similar to each other. I mean, look at this. Both look generally the same. You can open new windows without changing your page. Like just click on this login, and you'll get a new login window where you can log into a Chats.ws account, or you can register a new one. And that's basically as a new application running inside your application of the web. Or you can make a chat box. You can read out some stuff about Chess.ws in the help section. You can, as you can see, I can drag and drop my windows here and there. I can resize them, I can small them, or I can even open PDFs in it. Like as if I want to learn about the smileys and text system, I'll just open it and it will open a document inside the window frame. I can then resize it to whatever sizes I would like to read, or just zoom it in, and it will start reading it. I mean, this is the introduction to a chat system, and the drag and drop still works flawless.
Alright.
One more thing over here is, yeah.
Yeah.
What are you saying, God?
I can't but help notice that. What are the little dots beside the home and the login and the grab and?
Yeah, I was just coming to that.
Okay.
Well, it's basically like your taskbar, or more like a Mac dock. I mean, instead of having some place where you see your icons and as which application is running, so I just put them on their icons. I mean, the same place you open something, it notifies you that it's running. If you click it, it will take that application on the top of the window and at the default position, like this. Or if I want to have help, it will move help there for me. So you can actually fastly access if you have like hundreds and millions of these child windows opened up in it. And it's basically like as soon as you close, like watch the help's green balloon over there, as soon as I close it, it gets disappeared. So it's basically just have that kind of functionality in it.
Alright, so it's like a taskbar.
Yeah, it's like a taskbar.
Alright, it's cool.
And in the future versions, I'm gonna add something like you can type a custom web address over here, so you can open whatever you want in a secure browser frame, which won't let anything harmful to your computer run on it. Much as if you have seen the link validator, but much more powerful than that, because it won't it won't use iframes basically.
Alright, cool. Is that it? Do you have any more features in this?
Well, not a lot. I mean, what features an operating system has? I mean, it can handle users. You can synchronize it from any place you are using it. And this is an MIT licensed software. So if you want to use, you can use it for your commercial applications, but you will have to give me credits.
And but this is can be used anywhere, right? On any computer or like on iPhone.
Yup. It works the same way on iPhones, iPods, iPads, or whatever things that computes. I mean, let me just show you a small browser. This is an emulation of a simple iPad browser on my computer. Let's see. Mobile, iPad, horizontal. Oh, where's my mouse? Sorry about that. iPad horizontal. Oh, that's iPod. Oops. Let's use iPad, shall we? Or iPod?
Well,
let's use iPad for now.
If it works the same way, it doesn't.
This is a Mac. Yeah, it's a Mac iPad, and it's actually running it like it should run on an iPad, really. And just open it. Look at this, the same visuals, the same drag and drop. Just the window size is a bit bigger over here because this is not an actual iPad. This is a screen. So, well, the more of the story is it can work on all the browsers, every platform on this, in this universe, and because it could be resized with the ease, so you can simply resize it as per your needs. So you don't have a very clumsy atmosphere. You can feel free of how you want to see the website as.
Right.
A much new feature coming to it is a synchronization. If you don't know what synchronization is, I mean, when we log into the Windows user, it shows us all the things we have done in the past. Like if I go to Notepad or if I go to Microsoft Visual C, it will tell you what else I've been doing in the recent. So that kind of a feature is called the user of data store. And if I open this computer from anywhere or use remote desktop, it will all show me the same thing. So yeah, basically it works the same. And it's like if you open ChessWS from someplace or ScriptOS's main website, that's more like a web hub. From any place you save your settings as a registered user and you log on from anywhere else, it will give you the same interface you were using from. Actually, the feature also provides you, like, if you accidentally shut down in the middle of this, next time you boot up or you use somewhere else to synchronize, it will give you exactly where your system crashed.
Right. That's really cool. Unfortunately,
Thank you.
we're out of time now. So yeah, we'll hope to see more of this coming to the chat and into new games in the
Okay.
future. Right.
Yeah,
So
oh, well, I forgot to tell.
yeah.
Daniel wanted to make a game hub for DG World. This will be used for DG World as well, but with a more powerful theme, which will be a surprise for all of you. The basic idea: you can play 3 games at a time and chat with someone. I knew how you do that.
All right. Thanks very
Well,
much.
until next time.
All right. See you.
Thank you, Dot.